Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is video lecture 5 of computer playlist. So let us start. Question number 1. MS Word is primarily used as a options are A. Spreadsheet software, B. Word processing software, C. Presentation software, or D. Database software. So the correct answer is B. Word processing software. Question number 2. What is the default file extension of a Word document in newer versions of MS Word 2010 and later? Options are A. .txt, B. .doc, C. .docx, or D. .pdf. So the correct answer is C. .docx. Question number 3. Which feature automatically corrects common spelling and grammar errors in MS Word? Options are A. Auto format, B. Auto correct, C. Auto save, or D. Auto check. So the correct answer is B. Auto correct. Question number 4. To make text bold in MS Word, you can use the shortcut key. Options are A. Control plus B, B. Control plus I, C. Control plus U, or D. Control plus P. So the correct answer is A. Control plus B. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the header and footer option in MS Word? Options are A. Insert page borders, B. Add text images to the top and bottom of every page, C. Add bookmarks, or D. Align text to the center. So the correct answer is B. Add text images to the top and bottom of every page. Question number 6. The Control plus Z shortcut is used to options are A. Redo the last action, B. Undo the last action, C. Save the document, or D. Open the document. So the correct answer is B. Undo the last action. Question number 7. Which tab is used to change the page orientation in MS Word? Options are A. Design, B. Insert, C. Layout, or D. View. So the correct answer is C. Layout. Question number 8. What is the default font style in MS Word 2010 and later versions? Options are A. Times New Roman, B. Arial, C. Calibri, or D. Verdana. So the correct answer is C. Calibri. Question number 9. What's the default orientation of a Word document? Options are A. Landscape, B. Portrait, C. Square, or D. Horizontal. So the correct answer is B. Portrait. Question number 10. How can you insert a page number in MS Word? Options are A. Insert tab, then page number, B. Layout tab, page number, C. Design tab, page number, or D. Review tab, page number. So the correct answer is A. Insert tab, page number. Question number 11. In MS Word, the Control plus A shortcut is used to options are A. Select all text in the document, B. Open the Find dialog box, C. Align text to the center, or D. Apply bold formatting. So the correct answer is A. Select all text in the document. Question number 12. Which MS Word feature allows you to automatically correct misspelled words as you type? Options are A. Spell check, B. Auto format, C. Auto correct, or D. Grammar check. So the correct answer is C. Auto correct. Question number 13. Which key combination is used to paste copy text in MS Word? Options are A. Control plus C, B. Control plus P, C. Control plus V, or D. Control plus X. So the correct answer is C. Control plus V. Question number 14. Which option is used in MS Word to add a table to a document? Options are A. Insert table, B. View table, C. Layout table, or D. References table. So the correct answer is A. Insert table. Question number 15. What is the maximum number of columns that can be added to a page in MS Word? Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, or D. 45. So the correct answer is D. 45. Question number 16. What's the default paper size in MS Word? Options are A. A4, B. Letter, C. Legal, or D. A3. So the correct answer is A. A4. Question number 17. Which of the following is the default alignment for text in MS Word? Options are left align, B. Right align, C. Center align, or D. Justify. So the correct answer is A. Left align. Question number 18. Which of the following is the correct shortcut to underline the selected text in MS Word? Options are A. Control plus U, B. Control plus B, C. Control plus I, or D. Control plus T. So the correct answer is A. Control plus U. Question number 19. In MS Word, which option is used to apply a watermark to a document? Options are A. Design tab, watermark, B. Layout tab, watermark, C. Insert tab, watermark, or D. View tab, watermark. So the correct answer is A. Design tab, watermark. Question number 20. Which of the following can be used to combine multiple documents into one document in MS Word? Options are A. Merge documents, B. Mail merge, C. Combine files, or D. Insert object. So the correct answer is B. Mail merge. होप आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर हमारा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। ये हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं। आप वीडियो को पॉज़ करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को देख सकते हो। थैंक यू। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। दिस इज वीडियो लेक्चर 6 ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्लेलिस्ट। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is the file extension of a PowerPoint presentation? Options are A.docx, B.xlsx, C.pptx, or D.html. So the correct answer is option C. .pptx. Question number 2. Which key is used to start a slideshow in PowerPoint? Options are A. F1, B. F5, C. F7, or D. F9. So the correct answer is option B. F5. Question number 3. Which tab contains the option to add a new slide? Options are A. Home, B. Insert, C. Design, or D. View. So the correct answer is option A. Home. Question number 4. What is the shortcut key to duplicate a slide? Options are A. Control plus D, B. Control plus C, C. Control plus X, or D. Control plus V. So the correct answer is option A. Control plus D. Question number 5. Which feature allows you to apply the same design to all slides? Options are A. Animation, B. Slide master, C. Transitions, or D. Layout. So the correct answer is option B. Slide master. Question number 6. In PowerPoint, which view is used for organizing the order of slides? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes page view, C. Normal view, or D. Reading view. So the correct answer is option A. Slide sorter view. Question number 7. What is the use of slide transition in PowerPoint? Options are A. To add animation to text, B. To control how one slide changes to the next, C. To format slide layout, or D. To insert audio or video. So the correct answer is option B. To control how one slide changes to the next. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint view? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Outline view, C. Reading view, or D. Data view. So the correct answer is option D. Data view. Question number 9. Which tab contains the option to change the background color of slides? Options are A. View, B. Slideshow, C. Design, or D. Insert. So the correct answer is option C. Design. Question number 10. What is the default orientation of slides in PowerPoint? Options are A. Portrait, B. Landscape, C. Square, or D. Vertical. So the correct answer is option B. Landscape. Question number 11. Which feature in PowerPoint allows you to add speaker notes to slides? Options are A. Notes pan, B. Comments pan, C. Animation pan, or D. Outline pan. So the correct answer is option A. Notes pan. Question number 12. Which file format is used to save a presentation as a slideshow that cannot be edited? Options are A. .pptx, B. .pdf, C. .ppsx, or D. .html. So the correct answer is option C. .ppsx. Question number 13. Which of these is not a PowerPoint transition effect? Options are A. Fade, B. Wipe, C. Spin, or D. Zoom. So the correct answer is option C. Spin. Question number 14. Which tool in PowerPoint helps you rearrange slides in a specific order? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes view, C. Animation pan, or D. Format painter. So the correct answer is A. Slide sorter view. Question number 15. What is the use of the Smart Art feature in PowerPoint? Options are A. To create complex animations, B. To add professional looking diagrams and charts, C. To edit slide layouts, or D. To design slide backgrounds. So the correct answer is option B. To add professional looking diagrams and charts. Question number 16. Which view is ideal for preparing notes for a presentation? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Normal view, C. Notes page view, or D. Slide sorter view. So the correct answer is option C. Notes page view. Question number 17. What is the default view when you open a new PowerPoint presentation? Options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Notes view, C. Normal view, or D. Slideshow view. So the correct answer is option C. Normal view. Question number 18. Which option allows you to view all slides in a PowerPoint presentation at once? Options are A. Slideshow view, B. Normal view, C. Slide sorter view, or D. Reading view. So the correct answer is option C. Slide sorter view. Question number 19. Which key is used to start the slideshow from the beginning? Options are A. F5, B. F12, C. Shift plus F5, or D. Control plus F5. So the correct answer is A. F5. Question number 20. What happens when you press the ESC key during a PowerPoint slideshow? Options are A. It starts the slideshow from the beginning, B. It ends the slideshow and returns to the normal view, C. It pauses the slideshow, or D. It increases the slide transition time. So the correct answer is option B. It ends the slideshow and returns to the normal view. यहाँ हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को पढ़ सकते हो. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. दिस इज वीडियो लेक्चर 7 ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्लेलिस्ट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is MS Excel? Options are A. Word processor, B. Spreadsheet software, C. Presentation software, or D. Database software. So the correct answer is option B. Spreadsheet software. Question number 2. What is the default file extension of MS Excel 2016? Options are A. .docx, B. .xlsx, C. .pptx, or D. .xls. So the correct answer is option B. .xlsx. Question number 3. In MS Excel, a file is known as a. Options are A. Workbook, B. Worksheet, C. Database, or D. Template. So the correct answer is option A. Workbook. Question number 4. What is the intersection of a row and a column in MS Excel called? Options are A. Box, B. Cell, C. Grid, or D. Table. So the correct answer is option B. Cell. Question number 5. What is the maximum number of rows in an Excel 2016 worksheet? Options are A. 65536, B. 1,48,576, C. 1,48,576, or D. 1 lakh. So the correct answer is option B. 1,48,576. Question number 6. What symbol is used to begin a formula in MS Excel? Options are A. @ B equal to sign, C. hash sign, or D. dollar sign. So the correct answer is option B. equal to sign. Question number 7. Which function is used to find the largest number in a range of cells? Options are A. max, B. large, C. big, or D. highest. So the correct answer is option A. max. Question number 8. What is the shortcut key to insert a new worksheet in Excel? Options are A. Shift plus F11, B. Control plus N, C. Control plus F11, or D. Alt plus W. So the correct answer is option A. Shift plus F11. Question number 9. What does the count A function do in Excel? Options are A. Counts all blank cells, B. Counts non-blank cells, C. Counts numerical values only, or D. Counts only text values. So the correct answer is option B. Counts non-blank cells. Question number 10. What does the concatenate function do in Excel? Options are A. Adds numerical values, B. Joins two or more text strings, C. Finds the maximum value, or D. Counts blank cells. So the correct answer is option B. Joins two or more text strings. Question number 11. Which of the following is used to find specific information in a table? Options are A. H lookup, B. V lookup, C. Find, or D. Match. So the correct answer is option B. V lookup. Question number 12. What is a pivot table used for? Options are A. To create charts, B. To summarize and analyze data, C. To format cells, or D. To find duplicates. So the correct answer is option B. To summarize and analyze data. Question number 13. Which of the following is a valid formula in Excel? Options are A. Equal to A plus B, A1 plus B2, B. A1 plus B2, C. A1 minus B2, or D. All of the above. So the correct answer is option A. Equal to A1 plus B2. Question number 14. What is the maximum number of columns in an Excel worksheet? Options are A. 256, B. 1024, C. 16,384, or D. 5,000. So the correct answer is option C. 16,384. Question number 15. Which of the following functions will return the current date and time in Excel? Options are A. Equal to now, B. Equal to date, C. Equal to time, or D. Equal to today. So the correct answer is option A. Equal to now. Question number 16. What's the default number of sheets in a new Excel workbook? Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, or D. 4. So the correct answer is option C. 3. Question number 17. How do you select an entire column in Excel? Options are A. Click on the column letter, B. Press Ctrl plus A, C. Right click on the column and select all, or D. Press Ctrl plus C. So the correct answer is option A. Click on the column letter. Question number 18. What is the default column width in Excel? Options are A. 8.43 characters, B. 10.25 characters, C. 12 characters, or D. 15.00 characters. So the correct answer is option A. 8.43 characters. Question number 19. What does the freeze panels option do in Excel? Options are A. Keeps the row and column visible while scrolling, B. Protects the worksheet from editing, C. Combines multiple sheets into one, or D. Sorts the data alphabetically. So the correct answer is keeps the row and column visible while scrolling. Question number 20. What is the function of the PMT function in Excel? Options are A. To calculate monthly payments for a loan, B. To calculate the principal of a loan, C. To calculate the interest on a loan, or D. To calculate the total loan amount. So the correct answer is option A. To calculate monthly payments for a loan. ये हमने आप लोगों के लिए कुछ शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाए हैं, आप वीडियो को पॉज करके इन शॉर्ट नोट्स को पढ़ सकते हो। होप आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए। थैंक यू।